Hello everyone, and this is Reggie with Stock Talk coming at you with another video. Today is December 23rd, post market. Today we had a pretty mild day with the SPY. So I'm going to go over the SPY, how the day went today, my forecast for next week, and three stock charts that look like they're about to make big moves up. If you're new to the channel, I trade based off of chart patterns and technical analysis. So we're gonna start with SPY. SPY today, the sellers won today, but we still are. Here's a close up here. We still are in buying territory. Right now, the Bollinger Band, if you look, the Bollinger Band is these two green lines and a red line in the middle. They're moving averages. It is consolidating. What that means is it's trading within a range and consolidating, and at some point, it's going to blow to the upside or to the downside, but usually the SPY, it's to the upside. Uh, and right now, we have a half day tomorrow with the market closing at 1 p.m. And we have a what's called a Santa Claus rally. And every year on the first trading day after Christmas, the stock market trades up. It jumps up. If you look back the last 3 years, we've had up markets the trading day after Christmas. And as you see the chart here, the SPY, it is forming to make a big move. So keep that in mind when you're trading your tech stocks, your FANGs, and if you just straight trade the SPY. So let's get into my three picks for tomorrow and next week. So tomorrow is the type of day that you can really just buy your favorite stock and get it at a discount. And I expect a huge move up on Monday. Now, nothing's guaranteed. Nobody has the right to tell a stock which way to go. But just based off the charts and based off of pattern every year, we should have a big day on Monday. So you want to trade accordingly on Thursday to prepare. Our first one is Ride. Now, Ride is Lordstrom Motors. It's an EV play. And with it being an EV play, there's also an infrastructure play because Lordstrom Motors also invests in charging stations too. If you watch my previous videos, back here at support at 18.5, I was yelling buy, 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 and now it's gapped up. It was riding this support. Excuse that. It was riding this support, and then now it's gapping up. And if you look at this dot right here, that is a SAR indicator. It indicates trend, and that is the beginning of an uptrend. So I am bullish on Lordstown Motors. This is a good long play. It's an EV play, and you can get it super cheap right now. And this is a great stock to have going into the new year. Next one will be, this is a sleeper stock. Some of you probably never thought of. Dollar General. So Dollar General was trading in this flag pattern here. See this green line? It forms a flag, or you can call it a pennant, or a sideways triangle, and it is consolidating, and it's gearing to bust out. If you look here at an RSI indicator, it's heading towards the overbought territories. There's a lot of buying, and usually around this time, you have a lot of institutional buyers buying and reposition their portfolios. And this is one of the cheap ones, the sleeper stocks that nobody's looking at. I think it's part of it. If you look at our MacD indicator, it is poised for upturn too, as you look at the patterns developing there. So I am bullish on Dollar General, and it should be a good long play, and we have a reversal in sight. But do keep an eye on it, because as you see this support line here, this trend line, it touched it quite a few times. It could possibly bounce down, and we get to 209 level. Worst case scenario, 206. But I still expect a move back to the upside. And at that point, our next price target will be the $225 mark. And we're going to save the best for last. Lithium America. This is a battery play on EV stocks. So this has been trading in a range, right? So let's draw it out. It started here. It went here. Yep. All right, and we're going here. Boom. So it's trading in this range. And we had a long extended downside, and now it bounced hard. back to the upside and blew through this support line. And we're heading to the upside. Our next level will be 1368. Next level after that will be 15. So I'm very bullish. And if you look at this volume, look at these two columns, huge volume on this stock. So this will be a great stock to get in on and a good stock for January and to hold long because it's an EV play. Anything that you buy in EV, you should go long on. Our indicators also verify our RSI indicator starting in the middle, going towards the upside. Our MacD indicator showing strength toward the upside, huge gap right there in the moving average lines. So ticker symbol LAC, have on your watch list. I recommend making a play on it. Ride, Lordstrom Motors, I recommend making a play on it. And definitely going long, DG, I recommend making a play on. This is one of many stocks I look at throughout the day. I look at hundreds of stocks, and when I find little gems, I share it with you. So you can be aware of these gems that I share. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. That way you get notified when I drop a video. All right, thanks for listening. This is Reggie with Stock Talk. I'll see you on the next one.